It's so handy to be able to grab a song, extract the bass out of it, or if you're not a bass player, extract another track, so you can really hear what's going on, and also create a backing track minus bass for you to play along with. This is so much easier to do nowadays, and there's a program called Moises that I use a lot, so I'm going to talk through how to use that in this video. You can use Moises on the desktop, that's where I'll use it a lot, or you can use it on an app on your phone or tablet. Now, I'll just let you know I'm not affiliated in any way to Moises. I just use it a lot for my teaching work and for my base school and membership. Lots of my students I know use it, and I've just really made this video to kind of talk through it. So if you're thinking about creating backing tracks or you want to extract the bass, then this video will really help you out. There's a free version of Moises. I sign up to the premium version. That's only £4.99 a month. There's a pro version as well. It's quite expensive, but it's got some really advanced tools. But yeah, there's a free version. That's perfectly good. I used to use that first of all. Now, the only difference between the plans is that you've just got more tracks that you can kind of isolate with the premium and the pro plans. It used to be that you couldn't do any longer than 5 minutes on the free plan. That's why I signed up to the premium plan, but this is changing all the time. So just have a little look, and it's moises.ai. Okay, just go online, have a look, and you can find out all the details about the different plans. I'm now going to show you how it all works on a desktop. You go on to track separation, just click new here. See this box here, drag your files here so you can put MP3, WAVs in, MP4s, movies, kind of different things there. You've got different options. So I'm going to put in a track here. These tracks are my own band, The Kennel Connection. I'll put these in here. So here we go, and you just click next, and then you can select what you want. Okay, these hi-fi ones that are locked are on the pro plan, but you can get plenty of tracks here on the premium or the free plan. So I'm just going to click 5 tracks: guitars, vocals, drums, bass, and others. Okay, submit that, and it just takes a little while to extract the tracks. So the tracks have now been extracted. I'll just click on those. Okay, it loads it up. It's processing the song. So that took about a minute to do. So you can see all the tracks here. You've got vocals, drums, bass, guitar. I know that these are keys, okay, this extra track here. So you've got all your levels here. So just click play down here. Okay, and we can say we want to solo bass. Okay, and it's quite a high bass part. Sometimes Moises, if you've got a high bass part, it confuses it with guitar, but it's got enough information here to hear this. When the bass goes lower, it's kind of clearer. So I've soloed the bass there. I can click the whole track in. Power pirate. Oh, you're just a power pirate. Solo drums. Okay. Take the bass out. The good man who sail your sea. Your promise is broken. Okay, so that's that. So what I suggest that you do is create a mix. So if you want to play along with it, and you don't want any bass, just mute the bass, go up here to export, and then you just export mix, okay? And that will export the mix you've chosen, or you can export all the separate tracks here. You can see there, okay? So you could just get the bass track as well, and kind of, if you wanted to learn the song, you could learn the bass track on its own, hear what it's really doing properly. So there are your options there. You can export to MP3, MP4 or WAV. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can do that by pressing the red subscribe button in the corner of the screen. And if you click the bell and select all, then you'll get notified as soon as I release a new video. So these are your main controls here on the left. You can vary the volumes. You might do a mix with more drums, for example, with the rest of the track down slightly. You've got loads of options. You can do what you want. You can pan hard right, hard left. There's also this smart metronome. So that would just kind of put a click to the track, even if it varies time. Okay, if I play that here. Okay. So you can put that on your backing track as well. You can record with that click. So they're your main functions there on the left, and on the bottom here you've got your play, rewind, volume, that kind of thing. And you can also loop if you want. If I press the loop here, you can see a little loop comes up there. If you grab the arrows, you can make them bigger or smaller. So if I just play that loop there. Okay, so you can loop different sections. That's really handy. And then we've got loads of controls up here at the top on the right. So you can see here the different tracks. So you can select 2 tracks, 4 tracks, 3 tracks. So you can change the amount of tracks. This is really cool. You can change the speed of the whole track. Okay, so you can put it much slower to practice playing it. Up here it tells you the key. You can also detune it. You can put it down whatever you want, down or up. Okay, so you can change it to a different key. Okay, so that's changed to A minor. That's really handy. Okay, sometimes if you're playing blues and rock, they might detune a half step, so you can put this whole thing up, say from E flat to E. Okay, so this is very, very handy. You can do a count into the track here. Export we've looked at. Here you can just rename the track, delete it, that kind of thing. Add the song to a set list. So you've got all these controls at the top here. On the bottom right, you've got lyrics there. So it gives you the lyrics for the song, which is great if you're a singer. This tells you the chords. You've got a few different selections there, okay, of different chords, okay. And also it gives you the sections of the song. Okay, and tells you where they are. So they're handy as well. There's loads of little features, okay, that they develop all the time as well. So these are the main features that I can think that I use all the time. Once you know how to work these, then you can easily create your own backing track. You can then drop that into Logic or GarageBand. I drop it into Logic and I make my videos that way, and you can play along to them. It's really good practice. My bass membership, the Bass Masters membership, I encourage my students to record themselves every month. There's a challenge there. This really helps your playing when you listen back to it. So Moises is a really great tool to use when making your own videos. You can put them on YouTube as well, like I do, if you want to. This is what the app looks like on an iPhone. So you've got here, actually I don't really use it, so I haven't synced up my profile from the desktop, but you can do that. So if we just grab the track here, you can see here I've just got bass there. Okay, I can change that. I've muted everything. I can put everything in there. Okay, so I mainly wanted to show you on a desktop, but it's just quite easier in a way to use it on an app. But you've got that feature if you want it as well. Well, I hope this video's helped you out. Let me know by leaving a comment below what you thought of this video. You might use another program. Let me know as well in the comments. That will help everyone else out. These programs are really developing each year. Moises has got a lot better just in the few years that I've used it. So they're definitely worth checking out. So for Moises, it's just moises.ai.com. Okay. Get it on the desktop first and then check it out on any of your devices like a phone or a tablet. You can really help me out by liking and sharing this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel by pressing the red subscribe button. And if you felt that you got value out of this lesson, you can always buy me a coffee. Details are at the bottom of the screen. They're $5, or you can click the link below in the description. If you're an aspiring bass player, then check out all the lessons that I've got on my channel. Also check out my Bass Masters membership. This will help you improve as a bass player. The details are below this video in the description. You can also head over to gbshed.com. That's my website. I've got all the details about my bass courses, membership, books, free resources, that kind of thing. This is Greg from Greg's Bass Shed. Hopefully see you very soon in the next video.